Hi everyone, welcome to another video on WordHero AI from All You Need to Know, which is my channel. Thank you very much to all my subscribers and people who like my videos. And for all those people who haven't been on my channel before, it would be great if you could subscribe and give me a like. And obviously, any comments that you would like to give me, that'd be absolutely fine. I take all comments on board, and that would be great. So let's carry on here. So I'm doing a series of videos on WordHero AI and the different writing tools that it's got. Today I'm going to be looking at blog headlines. I'm missing out blog conclusions because I want to leave that till the end. At the end of the blogs, the section on blogs. So I'm going to use blog headlines first. It's obviously very important you get the right headline, the right keywords, the right kind of blog headlines that people want to, the content that people want to read, people are searching for. So it's really important you get a grabby headline, something that kind of you know, that shows people that who it grabs people that are curious about what you're trying to say, and it's not like clickbait and anything like that, but it's kind of curiosity killed the cat, so to speak. So if you're curious about it, they'll click on it and think, oh yeah, that's an interesting title. So let's click on blog headlines, and we get this in the left hand side. So it says topic, what your article is about. Gives you an example here: gaining Instagram followers quickly for total beginners. I'm choosing topic on YouTube because YouTube's really important. We all want loads and loads of subscribers and views, and people are interested in reading about how to get loads of subscribers and views. So what I've got is a topic on that, and my topic is how to gain many subscribers and views using YouTube. Quite simple, really. And then I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to get WordHero AI to write for me some headlines that I can use in my blog. So let's just have a look at that then. Right, so AI, please write for me. What are you going to come up with? Let's have a look. Okay, so here we go. We've got discover how to get thousands of views on YouTube in minutes. Here's how to rack up subscribers quickly and easily. Got tube envy? Here's how to get more views than you ever imagined possible. 10 simple ways to get more views and subscribers on YouTube. How to turbocharge your YouTube channel to greater success. Secrets to attracting more viewers and building a loyal audience on YouTube. I know these are all great, aren't they? I'm going to give that a thumbs up there. So yeah, I'm going to pick all of those. I'm going to just put those on the right hand pane. I'm going to put my title in there. How to gain more subscribers on YouTube. So what you can do is you could then put this discover how to get thousands of YouTube in minutes in the title. But I'm just going to put my title in there because I want it just to generate just a quick blog, just a quick paragraph on this, just to show you how it creates paragraphs. So you just highlight it and then just click blog paragraph, and we'll see what it comes up with. Okay, so it's giving you kind of an introduction. In order to get more views on YouTube, you don't have to wait around for your videos to show up. What about this one? Here's how to rack up subscribers quickly and easily. Let's write a blog paragraph on that. See what it comes up with. Okay. Let's see how to turbocharge your YouTube channel for greater success. Let's write a blog paragraph for that. Okay, so it's saying by following these tips. So what you can do is then you can just highlight that paragraph there, or this paragraph here, and then just say write more. I'm not going to go into that now because I'm just showing you how you can kind of write. You can get the headlines and you can write start writing blog paragraphs. It's really simple. Again, you just click that and it'll write it underneath your highlighted text. So there we go. So here it's given four four tips for secrets to getting more YouTube views. Make sure your video high quality, interesting to watch. Yeah. Secondly, to make sure to upload new videos regularly. Absolutely. Use social media to promote your videos. Yeah. Engage with your viewers. Yeah. Reply to the comments and ask them what they'd like to see in future videos. Absolutely. So there you see, and then what you can do is once you've got the kind of these basic, you can then highlight that and then create that as a subsection for your blog and kind of expand your blog further and further and further. And I'll show you how to do that in later videos. But I really just wanted to show you really how to create headlines like this, and then how to create simple kind of paragraphs from these headlines, and then you can just build from there. And I haven't written any of this stuff. I've written nothing. Absolutely nothing at all, as you can see. That really is that simple to do. And again, as I said, you can keep adding layers and layers and layers onto your blog. You can even add stuff that you've written yourself. You don't have to. You have WordHero write everything for you. You can put stuff in yourself. If it's something interesting that you've written or you know about, then yeah, by all means add it in, and then just keep layering on top of it. Anyway, I hope you found it useful. I'll be releasing some more videos as well on the next few sections as well of WordHero AI, the tools that are available. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified of when I'm releasing more and more videos. And if there's anything you'd like me to answer, or if you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments. I've also left a link to WordHero as well in the description, so that you can go and have a look and see what it's all about. And if it's something that you're interested in, again, it can save you a huge amount of time writing content, especially if you don't have a lot of time on your hands, or you've got other things to do. Spending hours writing content, is not an option. This is really a great tool for saving you time and money, basically. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate you viewing the video and listen to me go on about WordHero AI and the blog headlines. And I'll see you in the next video.